Hello, Miss McLean class. My name is Stacy Palmer, and I am here today to give the video introduction of my class introduction forum. All right, question number 1. My name is Stacy Palmer, and what brings me to Management 1155 is not only the fact that it's a required class in my lineup to get my degree for business administration, but I want to learn more from this class because I am a manager and I feel like I deal with this type of topic every day with hiring, firing, onboarding, training, all that good stuff. So I was hoping to get some new tips and tricks out of this class to kind of help me along my journey. Question number 2, how are you doing these days? What have you learned about yourself recently that you think will make you successful in online class? I recently learned that I work well under pressure. I, in the past, have always, got anxiety over waiting till the last minute or would do things really, far in advance to prepare myself. But I recently just found that I work very well under pressure when I have a limited time frame. I get my nose to the grindstone and I can produce some good work. Number 3, a brief summary of your work experience, especially if you have HR related duties. Okay. Like I said, I've been working at a gas station for 10 years now. I've been the manager, been running the place. The HR duties will definitely go hand in hand with this class. I'm definitely going to be learning some new HR approved ways to let my employees know that they're not doing what they need to be doing. I face that a lot in my job. I have people pretty much, doing whatever they want to do. When the cat's away, the mice will play. That is for sure. So I'm really hoping that out of this class I can find some, new tips and tricks to retain some people, retain some employees that will stay. I'm getting a lot of this new ghosting thing that people like to do where they accept the job offer and then they don't even show up for their first day. And let's move on to the next question. Number 4, what does working in a virtual team mean to you? Working in a virtual team means to me, just means, communicating, collaborating with your team, checking in on a daily basis. It may mean, setting certain times and days aside during the week to be able to meet via Teams or Zoom. That way the group can all stay on the same page. Virtual team means that everybody, is, responsible for their own work. It's convenient because we don't have to physically meet, but we do still have to set times aside to be able to meet with our teams. So virtual team cuts the travel, cuts the expensive gas. It's really helpful. I worked on a couple virtual teams in the past classes that I've taken at Macomb Community College, and it's been fun. All right, looking forward to working with you guys and meeting you all. You take care and have a good night. Thank you.